Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we've got another hog mix for y'all, or deer mix. This is mix something or other, but this is our Christmas mix. Yes, our Christmas mix, coming from you from Bohemian Hunting Club and Smoky Oak, makers of fine products. What could be in the Christmas mix, you might be asking? Well, let's find out. We've got our bucket, we've got some corn. What else are we going to be putting in there? We're putting in some strawberry jelly. Because strawberries are a nice holiday treat. There we go. Strawberry jelly. And next, after strawberry jelly, what are we going to be adding in there? Sprinkles. Yep, that's right. We have Christmas sprinkles. We have the little micro dots. And we have the little mini trees. Christmas sprinkles. Here we go. Some trees in there. Oh, yes. Oh, can't forget about the little dots. Yep, little dots in there. Yay! Merry Christmas. This is our Christmas mix. But what else do we have going into there? Let's wait and see. Have you guessed it yet? What's the next ingredient in the Christmas hog mix? Well, let's see. You guessed it. Christmas tree cakes. That's right. We're going to put a couple of Christmas tree cakes into our Christmas mix. Just like so. And just like so. And just so some of you are thinking, no, those ain't real Christmas tree cakes. He's not going to do that. Oh yeah, they are. They're real Christmas tree cakes from Little Debbie. Yeah. But wait, there's more. No hog mix is complete without, you guessed it, holiday cheer. Yes, we're going to put some holiday cheer into our Christmas mix. Oh yeah, it's already foaming at the mouth, chomping at the bit. That is good. Ta-da, little holiday cheer in with our Christmas mix. Now we need a stick. All right, so here we go. Give it a stir and some holiday cheer. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Ta-da! That's our Christmas mix. Remember, it's corn, strawberry jelly, Christmas sprinkles, Christmas cakes, and a cup of holiday cheer.
You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch.
Just gonna have the camera right here. And we're gonna put our little yummy right there. See what comes in. See how
You're
it goes.
as cuddly as a cactus and as charming as an eel, Mr. Grinch. You're a bad banana with a greasy black peel.